Today we explore the top 100 local guide leaderboards posted on Connect. We'll go over an overview, how to register, and how to update your data. To take a step back, local guides are people like you and I who voluntarily contribute to Google Maps. And Connect is a forum where local guides connect with each other to discuss and share all things related to guiding. In January 2020, Connect moderator Adam GT wondered and wrote a post about your most viewed single photo. He referred to this as the star photo, and guides were encouraged to share theirs. Then, while in COVID lockdown in June 2020, he created his first leaderboard post on star photos. Based on the interest from local guides, in time, Adam expanded this to leaderboards based on other contributions, including overall photo views and points for different contribution areas. Today, there are 4 different leaderboard posts: points, photo views, star photo views, and the final one, country, which shows for different points and views metrics the top guide in each country. Each has a different number of views of the respective data and are packed with detailed information about each participating local guide's contribution achievement. Adam posts these on Connect at the beginning of each month. To check these leaderboards, click on the link in the description and scroll down to Adam's signature at the bottom of the post. Yes, there's a competitive and fun element inherent to the leaderboards, but Adam has extended their usefulness far beyond just showing rankings of local guides. They also serve to motivate and help local guides to track, monitor, and improve on their contributions and the outcomes that they achieve. Adam also provides local guides with a number of powerful leaderboard extensions, such as various charts showing contributions and achievement progress, and even deeper analyses of this. There's also a feature that lets you see the health of your contributions in terms of published versus unpublished reviews and photo contributions. Now let's go over how to join. Please follow along on your desktop or PC. Visit top100localguides.com. Select the Register tab. Fill in your Connect username, but without the @ symbol. You must have an account on localguidesconnect.com. Your username must be exactly as it appears on Connect, so upper and lowercase is important. Choose a password. Note, the password used here should not be your Connect password. Confirm the password by re-entering it. Enter your email address and double-check you've entered it correctly, as that will be where you will be sent your registration verification email. Read and then agree to the participation terms and conditions. After you select the Register button, you should see a message that says, "Please check your email to activate your account." Check your inbox or spam folder for an auto-response email sent to you by Top 100 Local Guide System with the subject Account Activation Required. Here's an example: activation email. As the email explains, click the link shown to activate your account, but do read the important message about the terms and conditions. After you click the link in the activation email, you should see the message, "Your account is now activated." You can now log in. Click the link and you will be taken to the login screen. At the login screen, you simply enter your username and password to log in. As this is your first time into the system, before you can use it properly, you need to visit the Profile section and complete your details. Select Profile at the top left once you are signed in. The information here is important because it provides the proper integration with Local Guides Connect and placing on the leaderboards. If at any time you are in doubt about the information that you are required to enter, simply select the blue eye icon, which will display the relevant online help information. There are 3 sections to fill out. Local Guide Details. You will fill in Local Guide Start Date. If you're thinking, how can I find that? Remember our tip of the online help icon. Simply click or select the blue eye icon and it will open up to the relevant section of the FAQ. You can see here, it says to go locate the email for Welcome to Local Guides or your anniversary email from Local Guides. Alternatively, you can scroll through your Photos tab on Map and go down to the very bottom to see the date, your status. Select Local Guide. Your local guide level. Your Google Maps profile link. You can obtain this by going to your contributions page on Maps and copy the URL using the format shown with the 21 digits. Keep in mind, once posted on Leaderboards, your Maps contribution data will be publicly visible. As such, under your contributions, select Profile Settings and make sure that your profile is not restricted. The toggle should be selected as follows. Connect Details. Your Connect username should be pre-filled. Then, put in your Connect user ID. To find it, once signed in to localguidesconnect.com, click on your profile icon at the top right. Select My Profile. Copy the number after the text user ID in the URL. Paste only the number into your Connect user ID. Thirdly, input your Connect registration date. Make sure you are still under My Profile on Connect. Scroll down to find the heading Public Stats. Find Date Registered. Copy and paste it. Personal Details. The final section is Personal Details. Enter your preferred name and language. For demographic analysis in the 3rd and 4th drop-down, you are asked to provide the country and state, province, or main city at which you spend most of your time in the past month or so contributing to Maps. Click the Submit button at the bottom. Shortly after verification of your profile details, you will receive an email with some preliminary introductory information to help you quickly get started. Now that you've joined, make a reminder to update your data monthly before the end of the month. If you see a message letting you know that the system is closed for maintenance, please just wait until the system is reopened. Please follow along on your desktop or on PC. Sign in at top100localguides.com. Click on Maps Data. Go to your contributions on Google Maps. Click Profile Settings. Select View Your Public Profile. Your current local guide points are shown. Enter those values. In the Reviews tab, the number of reviews and ratings are shown. Enter these values. Select the Photos tab and enter the number of photos and photo views shown. Now click on your Maps profile photo and all of your Maps contributions will be displayed. Enter the numbers as they are shown on that Contributions tab. For example, I have 1,757 reviews, so I entered that number. You will want to do the same for the other numbers on the Contributions tab and enter them exactly. Click the Submit button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear to let you know once it's done. We're almost there. The last part is to update data for your star photo. To find this, on Google Maps Photos tab, click the arrow by date and click Sort by Views. The star photo is the one with the highest views and shows at the top. A special post has been created on Connect where we store a screenshot of our star photo showing the views. Please see the link in the description. You can follow the steps there to add your photo. Once you've added it, you will want to update it monthly, as the views on your star photo will increase, or you may have a new star photo. Here's how. Start by taking an updated screenshot of your star photo and save it. Find your comment on the album post. Do not make a new comment. Click the three dots at the bottom of your comment and click Edit Reply. Click your photo and it should highlight. Click on the pencil icon. Then X the photo and replace it with your new screenshot. Align the photo centered. For the caption, input it as @ your usernames, star photo of, location name, uploaded onto Google Maps on year, month, day, and showing star views of, input the number, as of year, month, day. Put a short description under it. Detailed steps again on this are shown on the 2023 Star Photo Album post. Now let's fill out the data. There are 3 sections. Click on Star Photo on the top bar of top100localguides.com. Star Photo Screenshot. Now input your answer to when did you take the screenshot? I'll type in what are the star views shown in the screenshot, which I can see here are what is the URL of the post? To find the URL of the post, click the three dots at the bottom of your comment on the Connect album and select Permalink. That is the URL of your post. It should look something like this. The aforementioned steps for finding your post and the permalink, as well as manually typing the caption, is a one-time action item for when you first add your star photo. Updating it after will be much simpler, as the system will have your link pre-saved, and when you fill everything out on the star photo page and click submit at the bottom, you will have an auto-generated caption to paste into the photo on the Connect album. And again, to find the post to update the caption and screenshot on, it will be the pre-saved URL link above. Star photo description. Select from the drop-down how you would describe the location. In my example, it's a storefront. Are there any other features? I chose parking lot since my photo shows that too. Next, answer, what is the name of the place as shown on Google Maps? What is the Google Maps category? Where is this place, country, and location? To see the answers for those 4 points, click on your star photos from your Photos tab on Map. Sort by views. For location, enter the village, suburb, etc. Do not enter the full address. Now fill out. Did you review the place? When did you upload the star photo? Is this your best photo? Creating your star photo description. The final section. Select from the drop-downs some additional details, as you can see. What camera did you use? Did you edit the photo? What do you think determines which photo will be the star photo? What is the second most important factor? The last box you can type if you think anything else is important. Make sure all fields are fully filled out. Click the Submit button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear to let you know once it's done. Now we've reached the end of the video. Again, if at any time you are in doubt about the information that you are required to enter or update, then simply select the icon which will display the relevant online help information. Thank you for watching, fellow guides.